Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little weekend vlog. Today is Saturday, July 27th. I'm here in Charlotte and it's pretty early. It's about 9:30. I'm going to breakfast with my friend Sarah. You guys have probably seen her in a few of my older vlogs. I haven't seen her in a little less than a month. So we just decided while I'm here in Charlotte we should get some breakfast. So that's what I'm doing first. And then later today I'm actually driving back to Raleigh, which is where my family is from. You guys probably know that by now. I've just been spending a lot of my time in Raleigh this summer because I haven't been able to over the past 4 years while I was in college. So yeah, I'm heading back to Raleigh tonight. I'm gonna probably be going out with my friends, so maybe I'll vlog that. This will probably be like a 2-day vlog, I'm guessing. But yeah, for breakfast we're going to this place called Earl's Grocery. I've never been there with my AirPods in this whole time. I'm such a nerd. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Adrienne. I would love if you hit subscribe, join the fam, and if you haven't followed me on Instagram already, then be sure to check me out over there as well. But anyways, oh great, I need gas. So I'm going to head over, I guess, to the gas station and then to breakfast, and I'll see you guys. Yeah, thank you.
You're very welcome. Hope you guys enjoy. Flatbreads on the inside.
Okay. Alright, so here is my food. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. It's a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. Gotta love it. And she got a grit bowl. Oh.
I mean, he did. He said he went on a date. Not July, but he thinks that they go on more dates. He's like one. He's like, no.
He's like, no. So he's the type of guy that kind of knows. Okay, so we just found this on the side of the street, and it says stamp show free admission. We have no idea what this means, but we're just gonna go, because why not? Yeah, wow. Okay, so there's just all of these different stamps in here. Oh my gosh, these are like hundreds of years old. Or 1906? Marine Corps letters? Lighthouses. Alright guys, so I just got done with my little brunch with Sarah and we went to a stamp show, which was so interesting. We just walked around this little, like actually this really big room, and it was just a bunch of seniors with their like stamp collections, and I don't know, it was like really interesting. Glad we got to go do that. And then we went on like a little power walk for like 30 minutes after, so that was fun. It was so nice to see her. She's literally one of my best friends and like someone I consider a sister, so that was awesome. But now I'm gonna go home. I have a few things to do before I actually head back to Raleigh. I need to finish up my laundry. I need to do a little bit more cleaning because I want my house to be clean when I come back to it next weekend. And then I also just have to pack a bag of clothes because I'm gonna be in Raleigh all week and I don't keep any clothes at my parents' house. So when I go there, I always have to make sure I pack enough clothes to wear. Do you guys ever feel like you just have so much to do and so little time? Because same, that's me right now. But Cleo, get out of the bathroom. She likes to go look in the trash when I'm not looking. Okay, so before I went to brunch, I did throw some laundry in, so I am going to go downstairs, get that flipped. Okay, so as you guys know, this summer I've been going back and forward from Charlotte to Raleigh a lot, and I kind of just want to show you guys my method of packing when I do it. So I just bring this really big bag that can fit literally so much stuff in it. I'm not kidding you, you can pack so much stuff in here. I know it looks small, but it packs a lot. And I kind of just pick out the clothes I want. I kind of change like what I bring every time just because I end up wearing a lot of this stuff so much. So these are the clothes I picked out to bring this time. It's just a variety of stuff. Some bathing suits, some leggings, t-shirts, jeans, bras, underwear, stuff like that. And then I just pack it all in here. So I put all my clothes in here. And then in this bag, which is kind of another one of these like reusable bags, this is what I keep all my toiletries in, and then I have like a mini bag of food for Cleo. But yeah, I keep all my toiletries in this bag, and it makes it so easy just going back and forward. I don't have to lug like a suitcase or anything. In my opinion, this is just way easier to have everything divided and reachable, so I can just grab and go real quick, because a lot of the time I don't end up unpacking any of it. Like this time I just kept my toiletries in here because I was only in Charlotte for a few days. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and then I will put all my sheets back on because I'm currently washing them, and I don't even know what time I'm gonna get out of here. It's currently 12:55. Gosh, the day is like sneaking by. I feel like I'll probably be on the road by 2:33 the latest. I could probably be on the road sooner if I really rushed, but I don't like rushing. Honestly, I like to take my time, and I want to like clean up my room a little bit more before I end up leaving. Cleo, why do you look so sad? Be happy, baby. It's the weekend. Can I give you a belly rub? Oh, there you go. There you go. All right, people, we are making progress. I got my sheets back on. I'm all the way packed. Chugging some water right now because I'm trying to get my fix. I'm trying to think of if I need to bring anything else with me. This is always like the hardest part, packing to go home, because I'm always worried I'm going to forget something. Definitely need my favorite lotion ever. Oh, you know what? My colorful pens. I knew I was forgetting something. These pens are like my favorite, so every time I go home, I pack them with me. Is that weird? I don't know, I guess I'm weird. All right, so last thing I'm doing before I hit the road is just kind of figuring out what food I need to take with me, because I don't want anything to go bad here. I hate wasting food. So pretty much this avocado is gonna go bad. Banana, I gotta bring this with me, and then these peppers. I had like a whole bag of peppers, and pretty much what I'm doing with these is I'm cutting up like 75% of them, and I'm just going to freeze them because I can easily just, you know, thaw them and stir fry them next week when I come back here. So that's what I'm doing in this box, and then I'm gonna take like a handful and I'm going to cut these up, and then I'm going to make a little avocado on grain crisp bread meal for me to eat in the car. And here it is, a super easy lunch for on the go. And it all just fits perfectly in here. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this just back in the fridge and then start packing my car up, and I think I'll be on my way to leave. Hi guys, so it is the next day now. I think where I left off with you guys yesterday, I was heading back to Raleigh, and I made it here. I actually ended up getting my nails done yesterday. There it goes. Okay, so yeah, it's just like a lilac purple, and then on my thumb and my middle finger, I got like the glitter, and I really like it. It's super different from what I would usually do, but I like trying new things. Anyways, it is the next day now, and what I'm gonna do today, first I'm gonna go to H Mart, which is this place in Cary, North Carolina, and it has a ton of like different cuisine from places in Asia, and I just love to get this certain sauce there, and rice cakes also, and they also have a really good bakery section, and I need new maker remover. Okay, I actually do need a lot of stuff from there, so I'm glad I'm going, but I'm doing that, and then I also might go to a cafe later and get some work done. We'll just see kind of what the day has in store. It's already a little bit later in the day. I'm kind of getting a late start to this vlog. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys and let you know what I was doing. I guess let's just go ahead and get on the road. All right, so I am back from that store. I completely forgot to vlog while I was in there. I did film something for an upcoming What I Eat video because I ate while I was there, but I will put that clip in a different video. But I just want to show you the two things I picked. I just got this pack of mini rice cake. If you guys have not had these, try and get your hands on them. They're so good. If you've ever had gnocchi, like Italian gnocchi, it almost is like that. That's like the best thing I can compare it to. And then this is the sauce that I get for it. It's just like a sweet and spicy tteokbokki sauce. So yeah, I'll probably make this later on this week. Cleo is like super stressed out right now because my mom just went down to the pool and she could see my mom in the pool and she like is freaking out. So I'm trying to comfort her. It's okay. It's okay. All right, so my next project for the weekend is going to be cleaning up this mess and trying to figure out a way to put it all away. I feel like when I come to my parents' house, you know that feeling when you are staying in a hotel, like living out of your suitcase, and it's just like you really don't feel organized. That's how I feel when I come here, because unfortunately I don't have a proper dresser or closet. My bedroom is also their office space. I have like a bed and everything in here. I just don't have a dresser and a closet. So my mom was super kind and she got me this little hanging thing so I can hang up some of my clothes, and then also this little plastic drawer, and you know, it'll do. We're gonna make this work. I might still have to keep some of my stuff in one of the bags. This summer I feel like I've been living out of a suitcase, and it's just like not the best feeling, you know. You don't feel organized. It's like hard digging through your wrinkled clothes and stuff like that. So I'm gonna figure out a way to organize this stuff, and I want to start like putting away my toiletries and just figure out how to get this cluster mess put together. Alright, so here's the finished product. I'm so happy with this. I don't know why I didn't think about doing this sooner, but as you guys can see, I just hung up some of my clothes, trying to get the wrinkles out of them, and then I just put some of my bags on this little door handle. Down there is like my makeup and my toiletries bag. I have some shoes, backpack, a purse, and then I'm just deciding to keep some of my jewelry in like these bowls and plates. And then in the drawer here, I kind of just stuffed as much stuff as I could in the most organized way. And then down there, I decided just to put some of my most worn tank tops, because if I put them in there, it's just gonna get all messed up every time I try and look for them. So I'm just gonna keep them out there, and there's a hat. But yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend just taking a few minutes out of your day. If there's a place in your house that is not organized, that just like stresses you out, just try and do something to, you know, give it a little change. And so out of curiosity, do any of you guys take a probiotic /why/ what results have you seen from it? If you could let me know, that would be awesome. I just started taking this one. It's the Culturelle Pro-Well Probiotic, and I know that a lot of skin issues can be caused by gut health, so you can, you know, really improve your gut health by taking a probiotic, which is why I'm taking this. But if you guys have any experience with taking one, let me know. I am super duper curious, and I'll let you guys know if I see any results from taking this. All right guys, so it is later on now, and I just took off my makeup. I am going to make myself a drink, and then I'm gonna go lay out by the pool with my mama, because I haven't been able to see her much this weekend or this past week at all, so I just want to spend some time with her. So I'm gonna go ahead and just close the vlog off here so I can get it up tomorrow for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and as always, thank you so much for the love on all of my videos. It really does mean so much. It feels so good to be like back in my vlog game. I don't know, that retrograde thing, I'm not big into astrology. Is retrograde astrology? I don't know. I had heard so many people on Instagram talking about how like retrograde season had them feeling like not themselves, and honestly maybe that's why I wasn't myself this past month. I don't know, like I feel completely fine now, but I just was not myself most of this month, and maybe it was retrograde. I don't even know what that is. I just know so many people were talking about it. I don't know. But that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and close the vlog up here. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to check me out on Instagram if you haven't already. And I will see you guys very, very soon in my next video. Bye guys.